Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I've had a habit of breaking open boxes upside down for some reason, but if I turn this around, you'll be able to see, maybe, it's the Brawn 507. We'll see if how well that comes out. So I figured it out. I screwed up. I read the directions, but the directions are just horrible. The chain actually there's a little hole right here that this chain travels through right here. And I missed that. So I got to go unhook that and stick it through there and hook it back up. I'm going to close this and plug this in, so you should be able to pull that open. It's definitely hitting where the chain goes down to. Just hitting. Let me try and bend this up. Do this under your own caution. There we go. There it is, all said and done. I even got we ended up using some flooring that was left over here from the last owners, some new stuff that for some reason was here, so we actually put that on the walls And that does, for the most part, take up the gap. There's still just a tiny gap, but like I said, if you put 1/2-inch sheetrock or something like this behind it, it'll be perfectly fine. There won't be much of a gap at all. If you just have the panel board, then you might have a bit of a gap, but regardless, it's all said and done. We'll pull on that, it opens up, it starts working. Pull on that, bring it over, shuts it off. Hopefully this light works well enough that you can kind of see it a little bit better in the way it's going to end up. If you want to see more on this bathroom, I'll probably have like a little bit of a before and after on my kids' place. So go ahead and check those videos out if you want to see anything about this place and all the different remodeling things I've done. There's some seriously bad things that were happening in this place that I had to fix. So go check out my update videos for the kids' place. Otherwise, I will have a before and after kind of look at this bathroom as well. But that'll be a little bit down the road because I'm going to put this up before we even have this bathroom done. So, but keep an eye out for those. Hopefully you enjoy them. As well as all the rest of my videos, I have playlists on lots of DIY things, whether it be mechanical, DIY homeowner stuff, mechanical stuff. I do some scrapping, some woodworking, all kinds of things. So go check out my playlist, and somewhere in there you'll probably find something you like. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.